This is Chris Kelly with your Peak Fitness Plank Corrective Exercise. All right? And what we often see is the plank is that either the client's not able to hold it with proper form, meaning my back is flat as I'm in this plank position, or where I'm kind of like dipping down. We don't want that. Or you're just not feeling that in your core. Okay? So what we're going to do in this video is just give you 2 exercises to perform back to back as a circuit. The first exercise I'm going to perform for 10 reps. The second exercise I'm going to hold for 30 seconds. All right? With the second exercise, I'm going to give you a couple ways to make it harder or easier. If you can hold it for 30 seconds with good form and feel in your core, then you just move to the next progression. Okay? And we're just going to go through this. So for my first exercise, I'm just going to get my back foot onto a chair. Okay? You just need something under your knee. All right? I'm just going to grip something like a ball, or just, I have a cushion here. I'm just going to grip this, tighten my butt cheeks and tighten my abs. I'm just leaning forward until I feel a good stretch in my down leg, forward and back, 10 times. All right? If you find that you're cramping your hamstring, and that just isn't, you're not able to feel that in the right place, I just want you to bring your foot to the ground. All right? The same rules apply. I'm just going to lean forward until I feel a stretch here. And again, I'm trying to really dig my foot into the ground and stay as tall as possible, meaning I'm not leaning forward as I'm doing this. And I'm just coming for 10 reps on each side. Now from there, I'm going to start in what is called a dead bug position. I'm just going to go easy to hard here. Okay? If you weren't able to feel it in your core, especially, this is important. All right? If you're a female, you've had many C-sections, you have some issues maybe with urinary incontinence, we've lost control of the muscles that kind of tighten our core up. So what I want you to think about doing is pressing your back into the ground, crushing this object, either a play ball I use sometimes, and using a cushion here between your knees, and just squeezing your core, your butt cheeks, and then, again, the Kegel muscles, all right? So we're trying not to go to the bathroom, basically. And I'm trying to pull those muscles really up as much as I can. And I'm just feeling tightness. I'm just trying to press into the ground as much as I can, okay? So just give me like 2 minutes, guys. Just doing a video here. Okay, and I'm squeezing, okay? I'm just going to hold for a period of about 30 seconds here. Okay, and if you can feel that squeeze, I'm just going to bring my feet off the ground. Okay, the goal is just to squeeze and hold. Okay? If you have that, I want you to straighten your legs out. Alright? Just squeeze and hold. Keep your back pressed into the ground and just squeeze. Just feel that in your core and again in the areas that we described. Now if you're able to do that, the next progression would be to come to an inclined plank. Okay, where I'm inclined on a chair. I'm pressing my feet and knees together. Trying to get my back flat like a table, meaning I'm pulling kind of my rib cage down towards my hips, so my back is nice and flat. I'm just holding in this spot. Think about just holding here for 30 seconds, pushing the shoulder blades apart. The final progression would be to come into a plank on the floor. Again, pushing my elbows apart as much as I can, getting my feet and knees together, staying tight, and holding for 30 seconds. All right, so in summary, we're going back and forth between the half-kneeling hip extension and either the dead bug progressing to the plank. All right, now again, back and forth 3 times. Think about setting a clock for 10 minutes. If you get through 2 sets, that's your day. But again, that's what I'm looking for on a daily basis, which is really going to help your core to improve, to tighten, and to get what we want.